Good day everyone, I'm Biranya Steven Josh from Mexet 3201 and here's my presentation of the multiple sequence na ginawa sa YouTube video. Before I start, here are the things that you need to know. The sets, the important sequencing, and the other components or the other added components. As you can see, we have here a conveyor that can run forwards and backwards, and a sensor that is used to monitor if there's either a bushing or a pin attached to the block. Later, I will explain each of their uses and why they are there. Last but not the least is the reject chute. This is where blocks go if no pin or bushing is detected or bushing is detected. As I start, we have two sets ng sequence. Ang unang set, paglalagay ng bushing at pin, at ang pangalawang set naman ay ang pagtanggal ng pin at ng bushing. Dito we have 11 cylinders and let's begin with A. It has a slow extension but it retracts rapidly. Its job is to push or release a block, then cylinder B will align the block through extension, and once aligned, B will retract upward while A also returns to its initial position simultaneously, indicating na sabay sila nagra-retract. So basically, the sequence is A plus, B plus, then B minus A minus na magkasabay. After that, it will trigger cylinder C to extend, pushing the block to the next level. Right after that, bababa si D para kunin pa itaas yung bushing, and si E naman ang magdadala nito papunta kay block. Then uulitin lang ng cylinder D ang same process para mailagay ang bushing sa butas ng block, and makikita ito sa indicator lights na may bushing nang naka-attach. Once fully retracted na si C, magre-retract pataas si D and it will trigger both E minus and F plus. Si F naman ay may actuator sa loob, meaning parallel ang travel niya. Then si G ang magtutulak ng block papunta sa conveyor. Once sabay sila nag-retract, the conveyor will run forward na i-indicate ng blue light. Since may bushing na attach sa block, masasense ito ng sensor, which is i-indicate siya ng red light, and the sensor will trigger cylinder H to extend. So ang gagawin ni H ay haharangin niya ang block para hindi ito makadaan. And dito na nangyayari ang unang set. So meron na tayong bushing, and yon, mated ang cylinders I at saka ang J. Si I ang pangkuha ng pin at si J ang nagde-deliver. So the sequence starts with I extending downward and then it retracts upward. Once hawak na ni I ang pin, si J naman, it will move to the right. So yun ay J plus. Then uulitin ulit ni I ang sequence para mailagay ang pin sa bushing. Uulitin ulit ni I ang sequence para mailagay ang pin sa bushing. After mag-retract ni I, babalik si J sa initial position niya, which is pa left. So once the pin is attached, magti-trigger ang indicator light na magsasabing pin engage. So since mas lalo nang masasense ng sensor na may bushing at pin na naka-attach, magti-trigger ito ng 5-second time delay. And dito na nangyayari ang pangalawang set, which is removal ng pin at bushing. So una ang pin. After the delay, utusan si I at J na tanggalin naman ang pin. Then after that, pag natanggal na ang pin, the conveyor will move backward. And sunod naman ay si cylinder naman na mag-a-align ng block sa tamang position bago tanggalin ang bushing. So nadagdagan tayo ng cylinder. Halos same sequence lang ang mauulit, pero ang difference ay tatanggalin na nito ang bushing sa block instead na ikabit. So nangyayari yun between sa D at saka sa I na cylinder. So once na matanggal, the E cylinder rather. And once na matanggal na ang bushing at may balik na ni D yung bushing sa pinagkuhanan, iti-trigger ulit ang F at G. So mag-extend si F at G. Then pag naitulak na siya papunta kay conveyor, magre-retract na siya. So same sequence lang ulit. So the conveyor will deliver the block to the next station. Since wala na siyang pin, wala na siyang bushing, so wala na madedetect si sensor. So hindi na ito haharangin ni H, hindi na niya iti-trigger si H na mag-extend. Kaya makapunta na yung block sa reject chute. And that's it. It might seem confusing at first, but let's watch how it is simulated and how how it actually operates in the actual